Hi, my name is Sami Suleiman, and I'm going to give you an overview about my first web application that I create for my Sinatra project at Flatiron School. So the goal for this project is to create MVC application using Sinatra. For my project, I decided to build a web application that help assembler to order their part from the warehouse. So I'm going to run the shotgun so that you can see the website from my local server. So this is the home page for my application. And here I have two options. If you have account, you need to log in, or if you don't have account, you need to create a new account. So here, the new user sign up page, you need to put your name, and then you need to put your username or email. And here you need to put your password. And then you hit sign up. So after you sign up, it's going to take you back again to the login page. So in the login page, you're going to put again your username that just you create. So it's going to be test@gmail.com. And then you hit the password. So when you log in, the first thing you will see our order dashboard. So in this page here, you can hit create new if you need to create new one, and also it show you the username, which is test I just create, and it show you the user ID. And from here also you can log out if you need to log out. So in the order dashboard, this board can be used by the warehouse picker. So it's help them to show which order is picked and which order is not picked. For example, you can see this one here is not picked yet, and it's going to show them the part number and the quantity and who ordered this part. And also the assembler, they can go for the order, for the part number that they order by hitting the order number. So when they hit the order number, they will see the order details. So it's order number 2, and this is the location, they order this part, and the part number and the quantity. And the status for this order is not picked yet. And also here in this page, they can change the quantity, or they can change the location, and also the warehouse. From here, after they pick the part, they can check the status to pick from not pick. So for example, if I decide I need to change the quantity from 24 to 32, I can hit edit. And then it's going to take me to the edit order page. From here, I can check my quantity. Instead of 24, for example, I'm going to put 32. And if you can see here, it's not picked yet. So I'm going to submit. So after you submit, it's going to take you back again to your order and show you the quantity is changed from 24 to 32. And also here, the warehouse, after they pick it, they can go edit and change this to pick instead to not pick. And if I go again to the all order, you can see here, the quantity now is changed from 24 to 32. And also the assembler, they can order part from here by creating new. So they need to put the user ID and then the location, and they need to put the part number, and they need to put the quantity, and then they submit. Here you can see the detail for the order, the location, and the part number, and the quantity, and the status is not picked yet. And if I go to the all order, you can see this is the order I just create is order number 3. And the location, the date is just I created now, and the location is T50, and the part number, and the quantity, and the status is not picked yet. And from here, you can log out. And when you log out, it's take you back again to the login. Thank you so much.